come from a toxic family, yabo.
Okay.
So I think those were issues whereby Uncle Ambeline beline issue ne Olilam, yabo.
Oh,
So say Kawata.
Yeah, it goes.
Because you know what, when the way yenzakala when I was a Chiefs ne kwenzakala ukuthi Uncle Lam belihlale forced and ama player was forced to be on a transport. You understand? But I couldn't Uncle Lam
Kumele usuke la ekhaya uyokuloma la.
accommodating yohlala la.
But azange
No, it's because of I think the uncle saw because already I started nokuba nasemaphepheni ngintwana. You understand? So even and imagine Uncle Amalgas lingibukela at all, but he hears stories. Like I've even met, he was a former player, he's well known, yabo. I even met his abantu bekadlala nabo. You understand that? Like you understand ukuthi njani, like even izenzakalele. You understand? So ivele yabanjalo. I think it went down to beba leoma clash wabo whereby abantwana bomuntu. I can't blame them anyway.